so our first herb for hypertension is going to be Achillea millefolium, which is a big old word for yarrow. It's yarrow, Y-A-R-R-O-W, is the herb that is really good for hypertension. So think about what we're going to use for this herb is going to be what's considered the aerial parts. And when you hear aerial parts, it makes you think sky, right? The air. So think about that. It means any part of the plant that exists above the ground. So that can be the stems, it can be the leaves. If it flowers, then you can have flowers. That's what we mean when we say aerial parts. All parts of the plant that exist above the ground. So we're going to be using the aerial parts of the yarrow plant for herbal purposes. Now, it's a great herb because it's hypotensive, which hypo means low, and then tensive is referring to blood pressure. So hypotensive means it's lowering of the blood pressure. So that's why we obviously are wanting this particular herb in this video and in our uses, right? It's diaphoretic, which is a fancy word for it makes you sweat, release heat, it can break a fever. Really, really good for that. It's anti-inflammatory,